Hey guys, I'm getting exhausted. I don't know how you're doing. God, I hope you're not watching these all at once. I've been taping these basically since 10 o'clock this morning and worked on them for several hours yesterday. So I'm getting tired. I'm now on 10.6. You get the advantage of my getting tired. I looked at 10.6 and I thought the only thing that's really important in there is the annuities, which is saving money over time. Okay, so they have sinking funds and other things. I want you to focus on the annuity. I think there's only like one or two questions on the next exam on annuities. And they're basically done like by loans, except for we're going the other way. That assignment is worth 22 points. Once you've earned 13 points, you can stop. And I will see that you earn the 13 points and I'll switch it to 22. So if you do more than that, that's fine, but I'm still only going to switch it to 22. So it's just do the ones that say annuity, basically savings. So in this section, we are saving money, for instance, for retirement. And so I'm going to do a couple of simple examples and then I'm going to stop because I'm exhausted. So I'm going to do, when I worked for the phone company, we got bonuses about twice a year. And so I'm going to pretend I get a bonus twice a year, which I'm going to save. So I'm going to save $2,000 twice a year in an annuity for 20 years that earns, let's just say 5.5%. How much will I have after 20 years? So on this one, we're going to just go straight to the TVM solver. We're not going to worry about the formulas. So when I go to the TVM solver, my N will be 20 times 2 because it says twice a year. Okay? And my I will be 5.5. My PV will equal 0 because I assume I start with nothing. My payment will be 2,000. And my FP is what I'm going to ask for. But the important thing is that we make sure we remember to change our PYCY to 2. So when you do the test on the chapter here, the one thing you're going to always look for is, did I change my PYCY before I did my calculations? So here I'm going to go to my TVM solver. Well, I was already in it. That's okay. And I'm going to put 40 in for my N. It's 20 times 2. I'm going to put in 5.5 because that's my interest rate. I'm going to start with nothing and I'm going to make a payment of $2,000 twice a year. And I have to remember to change my PYCY to 2. And now I'm going to go up and ask for my future value. Alpha enter, and it gives me 142,000. Okay, so yikes, PY, this is a PYCY, this says PY, should be 2, and the future value is equal to $442,536.29. Now mine is a negative, and that's because I put my payment in as a positive. It's going to make something negative, and I don't know why. I did not write this software. And that's basically how you do an annuity. It's really not difficult. And if I get a chance to meet with you, I'll talk about some of those things in more detail. I'll probably meet with you by phone, but I've had it. I've been talking all day, so I'm stopping. Thanks. Bye. I really miss you guys, by the way, and I hope everybody's doing really, really well and feels terrific.